Welcome back to Mahiro's Japanese School. Today we're learning about Keigo. Keigo, the honorific language of Japanese, looks difficult, right? But here's the truth. Keigo is simply about choosing the right level of politeness, depending on who you're talking to. And today, in just one video, you will understand the 3 types of Keigo, how to use them naturally, and how to avoid the biggest mistakes foreigners make. By the end of this video, Keigo will feel simple, logical, and even fun. Let's begin. Keigo has 3 major categories. If you understand these 3, you understand everything. Teineigo, polite form. ですます. Teineigo simply makes your Japanese sound polite. You use it with strangers, customers, co-workers, or anytime you want to be respectful. Examples: 食べる、食べます。行く、行きます。きれい、きれいです。Sonkeigo, respectful form. This elevates the other person. You use it when talking about your boss, your teacher, customers, anyone higher in social position or older. Key transformations: 行く、いらっしゃる、見る、ご覧になる、言う、おっしゃる、する、なさる、いる、いらっしゃる。Sonkeigo, raise the other person. Kenjōgo, humble form. Kenjōgo is the opposite of Sonkeigo. You lower yourself to show respect to the other person. You use it when talking about yourself, your company, your actions towards someone higher. Examples: く、伺う、参る、言う、申す、申し上げる、会う、お目にかかる。Kenjōgo, lower yourself, show respect. Quick memory trick. Deihai use. Sonkeigo, airo use. Kenjōgo, general polite speech. Teineigo, if you only remember this triangle, you can survive most conversations. Now, let's look at real Japanese situations. These are exactly how native speakers switch between levels. Example 1. Talking to a friend. Casual, polite. 今日来る？行くよ。Change to polite. はい、行きます。Example 2. Talking to your boss. Sonkeigo, 明日の会議来られますか？はい、伺います。Use Kenjōgo for yourself. Example 3. Workplace customer service. 社長はいらっしゃいますか？少々お待ちください。すぐにご案内いたします。いらっしゃる。Sonkeigoいたします。Kenjōgo. Example 4. Introducing yourself in business. 私はマヒロズジャパニーズスクールのマヒロと申します。Very safe and very polite. Example 5. Common mistake. 社長が申しました。Wrong because 申す lowers the speaker. 社長がおっしゃいました。Respect the boss. Let's practice together. I'll show you a normal verb and give you time. And then you say the polite form aloud. Then the honorific form. Then the humble form. Practice. Round 1. 行く to go. Thinking time. Polite, 行きます。Sonkeigo, いらっしゃいます。Kenjōgo, 伺います。参ります。Practice round 2. 見る to see, watch. Thinking time. Polite, 見ます。 Sonkeigo ご覧になります。Kenjōgo 拝見します。Practice round 3 You to say Thinking timeポライト言います。尊敬語おっしゃいます。謙譲語を申します。申し上げます。Practice round 4する to do Thinking timeポライトします。尊敬語なさいます。謙譲語をいたします。Practice round 5会う to meet Thinking timeポライト会います。尊敬語 Usually, the polite form is enough. 謙譲語お目にかかります。You did great today. Let's review in 30 seconds. 敬語 Choosing the right politeness level. Teineigo Polite for everyone. 尊敬語 Lift the other person. 謙譲語 Lower yourself.If you just remember these 3, you will sound respectful, natural, and professional in Japanese. If you want to master Japanese step by step, don't forget to subscribe and join the Mahiro's Japanese School community. Comment below and tell me, which Keigo expression is hardest for you? I read everything and reply when I can. See you in the next lesson. またね。